Hello students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 1 from your book Snapshots. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Saroyan. Introduction of this chapter. The story is about two Armenian boys, Aram and Murad, who belong to the Gero-Galenian family. Their tribe is known for their honesty. They are poor and can hardly earn money for food. They both longed to ride a horse. Murad had stolen a horse from a farmer a month ago. One early morning, he brought it to the window of Aram and asked him to come along for a ride. They rode the horse for many days. When Aram gets to know the horse is stolen, he gets shocked but discounts the stealing in his mind. One day, the owner of the horse, John Barrow, comes to his house to complain about his missing horse to Uncle Khosrow. One day, on their way back to hide the horse on the deserted vineyard, they meet the owner and feel guilty at the end. The next morning, they return the horse back to the owner's barn. Barn means a large farm building used for storing grain, hay, or straw, or for housing livestock. Summary of this chapter. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse revolves around two Armenian boys. The boys belong to the Gero-Galenian tribe. We learn that even though they were poor, they never sacrificed their honesty. In fact, even in the worst of situations, they were always honest. Similarly, the boys never steal or lie, whatever the situation may be. This story describes the particular incident about the white horse they once got. Aram is 9 years old and his cousin Murad is 13 years old. Aram is very fascinated by the world as things are easy in childhood. Moreover, Murad is the crazy one, as everyone calls him. Fascinated means strongly attracted and interested. The story begins with Murad visiting Aram's house in the morning at 4. To Aram's surprise, Murad has brought a beautiful white horse which he is riding. Murad assures him that it is indeed a horse and he is not dreaming. Aram did not believe it because he knew that they were poor and wouldn't be able to afford a horse. Therefore, the two boys kept the horse with them for weeks. They used to ride it and sing to it. However, the boys did not let the world know they have a horse. They were keeping him at a barn of a deserted vineyard. After a while, Aram found out that Murad stole the horse from John Barrow. Thus, they made a plan of not returning it to him, although they had second doubts about keeping it due to their ethics. Finally, on one day, John sees the boys with the white beautiful horse. However, as his family was known for their honesty, John did not accuse them of stealing. On the other hand, his belief was so strong, he just said that their horse resembles his horse a lot. Consequently, this was a very poignant experience for the boys. They decided to return the horse and John found it at the vineyard the next day. John got very happy and shares the news with Aram's mother. He also saw that his horse is now healthier, well behaved, and more decent than before. Here, the poignant means having a strong effect on your feelings, especially in a way that makes you feel sad. So, to sum up the Summer of the Beautiful White Horse summary, we learned the significance and necessity of honesty even in the face of greed and desire. I hope you have understood this lesson. Your homework is answer the following questions. Thank you.